Agape Retaining Walls, St. Louis, Missouri. This is a very nice patio area we installed here in Oakville, Missouri. We use the Rockwood 6-inch straight face classic block, taupe black blend with a straight cap. We also use the Romanstone ledge rock Century Series Timberwood blend in color. Beautiful, beautiful patio area here. Nice little step. At Agape Retaining Walls Incorporated, we do the very best retaining walls and interlocking pavers in St. Louis. We have unique custom design and installation. At Agape Retaining Walls, we have over 2,000 pictures on our website at www.agaperetaining.com. That's www.agaperetaining.com. Or you can find us by calling us at 314-846-2777. That's 314-846-2777. Agape Retaining Walls, St. Louis, Missouri. Simply the best.